Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online English school. Today, we will learn how to give definitions to the words we already know. And we will continue talking about possessive pronouns. Let's first start our lesson with the vocabulary. Listen and repeat after me. Please pay attention to the definitions of the words that you see on the screen. 1. Hospital. Hospital. A place where sick or injured people go to be treated by doctors and nurses. 2. Bus station. Bus station. A building where a bus starts or ends its journey. 3. Bank. Bank. A building where you can borrow or save money. 4. Sports center. Sports center. A building with places where you can play different sports. 5. Cinema. Cinema. A building where you go to watch movies. 6. Library. Library. A room or building that contains a collection of books and other written material that you can read or borrow. Now, tell me in English, please. What is a bus station? Yes, a bus station is a building where a bus starts or ends its journey. What is a cinema? Good. A cinema is a building where you go to watch movies. Please write these definitions down to your copybook and practice them at home. Thank you. Okay, moving on. Watch the video about places in town and listen carefully to the words we discussed before.
Listen and watch.
Is this the right town? There is a library, a cinema, and a hospital.
I can see the hospital, and there's a bus station too.
Can you see a sports centre and a bank?
Wait a minute. Yes, I can see a big sports centre and 2 banks.
Then this is the right town. Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's practice our vocabulary.
Listen and choose.
We will listen to the audio one time and choose one option out of 3 given options. For example,
There are lots of books here.
where can we find books? Library, bus station, or cinema? I choose library. Let's go.
You can play tennis there.
Where can we play tennis? Sports center, library, bank. Sports center, of course.
There are lots of beds there.
Where can we find lots of beds? bank, sports center, hospital. I guess hospital.
You can watch a film there.
Where can we watch film? Hospital, bus station, or cinema? I guess in the cinema. Let's check. Good job! Thank you! Our next activity is listening and mapping.
Listen and complete.
Let's find the numbers, listen to them, and complete with the words given below. They are bank, bus station, library, cinema, sports center, hospital. Are you ready? Go!
Number 1 is the sports centre. Number 2 is the bank. Number 3 is the hospital. Number 4 is the bus station. Number 5 is the library. Number 6 is the cinema.
Time to check. Excellent job! Thank you! Now it's time for grammar. Please watch the animation carefully.
Stein is my friend. Stein is a friend of mine. Is Jeroen your friend? Is Jeroen a friend of yours?
This is her bass. This bass is hers.
That's his violin. That violin is his.
Mijntje is our friend. Mijntje is a friend of ours. This is their dog. This dog is theirs.
Last lesson we were talking about personal pronouns and possessive determiners. This lesson we will talk about possessive pronouns. Please listen carefully. We use possessive determiners and possessive pronouns to show who owns or possesses something. Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. Possessive determiners and possessive pronouns are similar in meanings, but different in structures. A great way to understand both of these structures is to see them in action. Let's go to the next slide. In the first column, we use possessive determiners before a noun. For example, my shirt is green. Your book is new. His pillow is soft. Your dog is small. Its bone is old. Our bird is noisy. Your house is big. Their car is slow. For all these sentences, we can ask the question whose. For example, whose shirt is green? My shirt. Whose book is new? Your book. Whose pillow is soft? His pillow. In the second column, you see possessive pronouns. We use possessive pronouns after a noun and a verb. For example, the shirt is mine. The book is yours. The pillow is his. The dog is hers. But we don't use it as a possessive pronoun. The bird is ours. The house is yours. The car is theirs. Please pay attention that after possessive pronouns, we don't use any other parts of speech. For example, you can't say mine shirt or yours book. Okay, let's practice this grammar topic by doing exercises. Okay, let's practice the first exercise.
Choose the correct option.
Please listen carefully and choose. We will listen 2 times.
This car isn't mine, but it's hers. This car isn't mine, but it's hers.
The magazine on the table is hers. The magazine on the table is hers.
My house is prettier than theirs. My house is prettier than theirs.
That painting over there is mine. That painting over there is mine.
All the money here is yours. All the money here is yours.
Let's check. Good job. Thank you. Let's practice one more exercise on possessive pronouns.
Choose the correct option.
Is this book yours or ours? Is this book yours or ours?
Are these boys friends of yours? Are these boys friends of yours?
The book you're reading isn't mine. The book you're reading isn't mine.
I'll leave you my umbrella and take his. I'll leave you my umbrella and take his.
Now you know our address. What's yours? Now you know our address. What's yours?
Let's see the answers. Excellent job. Thank you. And the last exercise. You need to put the words to the correct sentence. The words are your, yours, theirs, his, my, our, his. First, I will give you some time to think, and then we will start. Let's start. David is my brother. This house is theirs. It is Bob's cat. It's his cat. Jenny, these flowers are for you. They're yours. This is our garden. It's ours. This is Sally's car. It's her car. My hat is green. This is Bill's pen. It's his pen. Now, let's check. Good job. Thank you. The lesson is over. Thank you very much. Goodbye and have a nice day.